Hello Automators! Today we're looking at and setting up the Withings Sleep Tracking Mat and HealthMate Companion app. This compact mat slips under your mattress and monitors your sleep habits to help provide you with a better understanding of how you're sleeping and what you might do to improve your rest. The mat has a small profile to help prevent any Princess and the Pea situations. It also has a machine washable cover, which makes maintenance painless. The device monitors your sleep habits, including breathing disturbances. So like your partner in the morning, it will let you know just how much you were snoring. Unlike your partner, it's not going to guilt you about it. The app takes the information the mat collects and provides a sleep score to help you understand your sleep patterns and habits. Let's take a look at setup. To begin, you need to put the entire mat under your mattress, positioned under where your chest lies when you sleep. Only the power cable should extend past the edge of your mattress. Next, plug the mat into an outlet using the provided power adapter. Head to go.withings and follow the Google Play or Apple link to download the HealthMate app. Once the app is installed, you need to create a profile and connect the device to your home's Wi-Fi. After you've connected it to the Wi-Fi, the mat will take some time to calibrate. Try to avoid jumping on the bed while it does this to make sure it's set up properly. The app can be paired with your Google Nest to detect when you're using the mat and adjust your smart home's temperature for a better sleep. It also pairs with Google Fit to provide a greater understanding of where sleep falls into your health routine. The sleep mat can be combined with numerous smart devices, including Philips Hue bulbs, to create your ideal sleep experience and automate your wake-up. Once the device is set up, all that's left is to enjoy a good night's rest. To see the mat in action and how it works with Hue, check out Brian's automated morning routine on the main channel.